First, open PureReef app for reference, then place the bucket image. Then open 3ds Max. Now go to the top view and create a cylinder. Then put the height segment to 1 for low polygon count. After that, convert the cylinder to edit poly and create this bucket. I am fast forwarding it a little because my topic is UVW map. Then at the top, select the line by pressing Alt R for loop and hit on chamfer to both the segments. Then select the polygon by holding shift for a loop selection and the extrude to around 1.8 in local normal axis. Same repeat it with one another. Then go to the bucket base and select the edge and chamfer it so that bucket edges look soft. Then insert the following polygon twice and scale it for the circular base smoothness. Then go to the top view and create a cylinder for cap. Then select the top polygon and insert it. And select the corners polygons and extrude it. Then insert the polygon again to around 4 and then extrude it. And scale a little bit. Then select the edge of the cap and chamfer it for the smooth edge so that it looks similar to the bucket. Then apply Turbo Smooth to the cap and add a segment to the center extrude part for smoothing. Then we got some patches on the cap. Simply turn off Turbo Smooth and select the polygon and insert it. Apply Turbo Smooth to the bucket. Now we also have to insert the bucket top part so that the cap fitted to the base comfortably. Now adjust cap according to your visualization and then detach the following part for texture and then apply individual Turbo Smooth in it. Then press M on keyboard for material editor. Then create a material by going to Material, Scaline, Standard and assign it to the base. Then import the image and click on Shaded Material Viewport and then apply UVW map in it. And then simply click on Cylindrical and boom, there we go. Now select Gizmo and try to scale it. The texture is repeating. Then what we have to do, press M on keyboard and double click on bitmap and turn off these two check marks and there we go. Now press Shift Q to check the render and then hit on high quality. The max viewport is not quite good. We always need to check it. Then import this texture image and simply disconnect the first bitmap image. After importing, assign this image to diffuse color. Select its gizmo and it is also in repetition mode. Then simply turn off the mirror tiles and press Shift Q to check the render. Now the texture is covering the white part too and we don't need that. So then simply open your Photoshop. Import image in Photoshop and then select part by magic tool and apply black solid color to the white part. Then click on mask and press Shift Ctrl I to invert the selection and put white as solid color. Then save it as JPEG. Then duplicate it for the same properties. Then choose the mask. Now simply apply a composite node and assign bitmap to the layer 1 and mask 1 and attach it to the diffuse color. Now simply press Shift Q to check the render. Now add one more layer to the composite node and attach the left image to it. Now in the case init repetition mode, you need to change the map channel to 2 and apply another UVW map and put 2 as a map channel in it. Now simply set the gizmo by checking continuously to render menu and fix it. Now I'm gonna place the node according to me. Then check the render. Now it is the gizmo. Now go to the Chrome and import a painted rough texture for cap. Then import it and assign. And now there we go.